Manipur today celebrated the 124th birth anniversary of Jananeta Hizam Irabot. The state government commemorated the birthday of the Irabot at the Irabot Square complex located near Manipur Legislative Assembly in Imphal. Floral tributes were offered to the statue of the late leader. Manipur Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren attended the event. A new antiviral fabric spray called Virus Kavach was launched today at the outlet of Manipur Organic Mission Agency MOMA, Sanjenthong in Imphal East. The antiviral spray was developed by Professor Kakching Tabam Arun Kumar Sharma, Deputy Director of School of Nanoscience and Technology, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. TH Bir Chandra Singh Football Academy, Taubung Khok today deeply condoned the sudden demise of its executive member Sarungbam Rajan Singh of illness yesterday. Coronavirus infections rate among adults in India has risen sharply. A survey shown, although a large percentage of the population has not yet been exposed, suggesting there is scope for cases to rise much further. In the serological survey conducted in August and September, blood samples were tested for SARS-CoV-2 antibodies according to a media report. Manipur reported 231 fresh COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. At the same time, altogether 57 COVID patients were discharged from different COVID care facilities. The total cases tally climbed to 10,746 as of this afternoon. The recovered cases increased to 8,039, while the number of active cases is 2,642 in the state. The death count stands at 65 and the recovery rate is 74.80% in Manipur so far, as per the state COVID-19 Command Control Room. Following 63 new COVID-19 cases were registered in Thoubal district in the last 24 hours, Deputy Commissioner Thoubal has announced 10 new places of the district as containment zone. District Surveillance Officer confirmed 43 fresh cases through rapid antigen test, RAT, and 7 were confirmed from private clinics. So far, the district has recorded 1,184 COVID-19 cases. The Tripura government has decided to reopen all the tourist spots in the state from October 1st. This was announced by Tripura Tourism Minister Pranajit Singh Roy yesterday. According to the reports, the tourist spots in the states have remained closed since March 2020 in view of COVID-19 pandemic and consequent lockdowns. The state economy to some extent depends on tourism. As the special CBI court readies to deliver verdict in 1992 Babri Masjid demolition case, 3 key accused are likely to skip hearing. While Uma Bharti has tested positive from coronavirus, LK Advani and Murli Manohar Joshi have accused themselves on health ground and age. The 3 BJP leaders and Vinay Katiyar are among the 32 accused in the case, whose judgment will be delivered after 27 years, according to media reports.